Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about high temperature, oxidation and corrosion. Which of these elements is known for forming a protective oxide layer that can slow down further oxidation? A. Sodium. B. Magnesium. Aluminum. E. Potassium. The correct answer is C. Aluminum. Which of the following factors does not typically increase the rate of high temperature oxidation? A. Higher temperature. B. Increased oxygen, partial pressure. C. Longer exposure time. D. Presence of water vapor. E. Lower surface area. The correct answer is E. Lower surface area. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the name of the relationship that describes the kinetics of oxide layer growth? A. Arrhenius equation. B. Nernst equation. C. Parabolic rate law. D. Linear rate law. E. Logarithmic rate law. The correct answer is C. Parabolic rate law. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.